कर रहा है, अभी तो इलॉजिकल है, लेटर ऑन पॉसिबली इट कैन बिकम, कि जितनी भी कॉमिक्स में पढ़ते हो ना, यू नो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर व्हाट इलॉजिकल, इम्पॉसिबल. सो आई सेड दैट Badrinath, Kame, Dunagiri, Trishul and Nanda Devi. And Nanda Devi peak nearby Nanda Devi Biosphère Reserve. And then below there is an, I said that what? Valley of Flower. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, मुझे क्यों याद रहता है? मैं कितनी बार बोलता हूँ पता है? So many times I used to speak. आपको भी 2-3 बार बोल देता हूँ मैं. तो मेरी रिवीजन कितनी होती है? एंड आप क्लास में बैठ के एक बार भी नहीं करते हो. हाँ? So I said that you used to think, okay, God has given everything. It can easily come in your body. समझना आसान हो जाता है, बट उसके ऊपर वी हैव टू बिकम द बेस्ट टू फाइंड आउट टू व्हाट इज द एसेंस. कभी लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं योगा यू विल डू, इट्स वेरी इजी, यू कैन गेट द अचीव समथिंग, बट करके दिखाओ, वो फीलिंग लेकर आनी. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज ओके, बट डूइंग इज व्हाट डिफिकल्ट. अंडरस्टूड. एंड देयर इज एन, आई सेड दैट इज 2 ग्लेशियर्स इन द चमोली डिस्ट्रिक्ट, एंड विच आर द 2? सतोपंथ एंड भागीरथी खरक. एंड विच रिवर ओरिजिनेटेड? एंड अलकनंदा पर कौन भगवान है? विष्णु प्रयाग. अंडरस्टूड इट? वी हैव बीन एबल टू सी. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज बागेश्वर एंड अल्मोड़ा. कभी आपने रानीखेत का नाम सुना है? अल्मोड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. एंड द नैनीताल. विच वन आई सेड दैट? नैनीताल. द फर्स्ट आई सेड दैट itself in a lake is hidden. Naini is in a what? Nainital is in a lake. Which are the lakes? Nainital Lake, Sattal Lake, Bhimtal Lake. तो कभी आप जाओ तो these are the 3 lakes that you will be able to see. Which are the 3 lakes in the Nainital? Nainital, Sattal. क्लियर? आप यदि नानी के यहां चले गए और 7 दिन रह गए, आपको क्या बना देंगे? खिलाते बुलाते हैं. नैनीताल, सातताल, भीमताल. नैनीताल, सातताल, भीमताल. कैन यू रिमेंबर? यस. एंड देन फेमस जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क. विच नेशनल पार्क? विच पार्क? जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क in Nainital. Understood? Got it? Nainital. Understood? In the Nainital, you know that अच्छा यहां पर राम जी की भी नानी रहती हैं. कौन रहती है? So from yes, from Nainital, Ram Ganga river originated, and it is a tributary of Ganga. From Nainital, Ram Ganga river originated. Understood? Thereafter I said that Udham Singh Nagar, and then Champawat and Pithoragarh. Understood it? So we can be able to see this is what Garhwal division. Another is I said that Kumaon division. And which national park in Nainital? Jim Corbett. And in the Govind Gangotri and Govind Pashu Vihar. And here it is in Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve and Valley of Flower National Park. And here we have Rajaji National Park. Is it clear? Thereafter I said that we are going to see passes, rivers and peaks. अभी हम लोग करेंगे passes. Which are the 3 districts making border with China or Tibet? Uttarkasi, Chamoli and Pithoragarh. Understood? Uttarkasi, Chamoli, and which one I said that? Pithoragarh. Uttarkasi. I said that अभी आपको जानते who is your good friend? Who is your good friend? You are itself is the good friend of yours. Who is the greatest competitor of yours? You are. Every day excel yourself from the today. Every day. अंडरस्टूड? वेरी माय पॉइंट. तो यू स्टार्ट, उत्तर आपको मिलने लग जाएगा और हार्ड वर्क करने लग जाओगे ज्यादा से ज्यादा. एवरी डे न्यू लर्निंग एवरी डे. I need to learn this and revise of the old. Learn this and then revision is the most important. लेकिन यदि आप क्या करते हो, your body makes you to what? अरे यार, no, not today. Winter is going to come. It will make you to more. So I said that आप क्या हो जाएगा? Then your body itself started playing with you. Don't work. Yes, आपसे क्या करता है? Cheating करता है. एंड आपके मन उसमें साथ देता है. ठागला मानाला, उत्तर आपका बॉडी खुद देते रहता है. मत करो यार, ठगता है आपको. यस, और उसमें सबसे ज्यादा कौन होता है? मन का रोल. ठागला मानाला, विच आर द टू पासेस वी हैव सीन? ठागला पास, मानाला. कैन यू रिमेम्बर? यस, कहाँ है? HP या उत्तराखंड? उत्तराखंड. क्लियर? आपको, आप इतने स्पेसिफिक कर लो तैयारी कि आपको कुछ भी कर सकते हो. ठागला मानाला, कैन यू रिमेम्बर? नाउ नीतिला पास मीन्स ला. नीतिला एंड बालचादुरा, विच आर द पासेस? पहले याद करेंगे. नीतिला एंड विच पास? आई सेड दैट नीतिला पास एंड, क्लियर? यू नो वन योगा नेति, Sutra Neti, have you heard about? Anybody has heard about putting one smaller rope inside your nose? Thread. It's not like a thread. Thread is very thin, but it is like a smaller thread type. You can say rope type. And when it is going now, I have done, blood comes also, and your sinus problem get resolved. So, and there is a Dugdha Neti, दूध नाक से पियो. Ultimately nothing, it is connected with the mouth cavity, कुछ नहीं है. And then it goes inside. And there I said that आपके लिए जो वो ऐसे जो पीछे का हड्डी होता है वो बड़ा बना रहता है. That is able to hold lots of unwanted things. And जब वो बहुत ज्यादा hold होता है, you easily affected by the several virus, several kind of what is in a bacteria and all. तो उसको काट के छोटा कर देता है. तो फिर उसके बाद वहां पे क्या हो जाएगी? Sustainability of sustaining any other bacteria and all वो reduce हो जाता है. इसलिए उसको काट दो आप. Simple. And then you can also, what it is in a Dugdha Neti, and also there is in a Ghee Neti, Grit Neti. Ghee bhi piyo. And it helps you, and I have done in my life. So I said that नेति लोग जनरली, अभी मैं कह दूंगा सबको डर लग रहा होगा, लेकिन बचपन से ही लोग बालक ही करने लग जाते हैं. बालकपन, you know that the kids. नीतिला एंड बालचादुरा, which are I said that नेति लोग कब से करना स्टार्ट करते हैं? बालकपन से. So which are the four passes we have seen? Thagla, Manala, and then Nitila and Balchadura. Understood? I said so many times you should start writing your what when your history is very good, and when your, I said that polity and other section is good, and several lines you are remembering, your essay will be very good. लेकिन आप लोग इस चीज को समझते नहीं हैं. If you are not understanding, you will realize after a certain period, and you won't be able to write in a better essay. Essay, as you are growing every day, your body is growing every day, you should also grow your essay writing. It is in a kind of, you start writing about yourself. लिखना start करो. How you can make your, what is in a life, a story about you in 1,000 words. तो 1,000 words में बोलो sir, मेरी whole life it will be in the what 50,000 words at least. But you have to write in 1,000. So आपको कभी कभी कुछ lines लिखनी होगी, in which small lines gives you about the thousands of words. So you have to write, and when you will start writing, then you will start learning, okay, these are the mistakes I have to remove, these are the way I have to improve. But when you are not writing, again I am saying that whether you can't be clear the mains examination. So essay writing and all, slowly and slowly you will learn. So just make it, meet me, I'll try my best to make it what uplifted. And history बहुत जरूरी है. And history depth wise study is very much necessary. Then you can write it. And depth भी नहीं, जितना general studies में पढ़ना है, which is in the pre and the mains which is required. So I said that हमने क्या बोला? And essay को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? In Hindi it is known as also lake. यस, लिपू लेक मुझे याद कराना था. एंड तो डू नॉट कंसिडर दैट कि मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूं, मैं तो हमेशा ऐसे के लिए बोलते रहता हूं. एंड आई सेड दैट दिस इज, आई सेड मांगसाधुरा लिपू लेक. कहीं मेंस का चांस मिल गया तो ये मांगते रहोगे किससे लेक सीखा जाए. तो रामास्वामी आईएएस. So I said that, which one I said that? मांगने लग जाओगे लेक. मांगसाधुरा लिपू लेक. मांगसाधुरा and which pass is having opened for the Indo-China trade in Uttarakhand? Lipu Lake. Can you remember in your mind? Yes. So we have been able to see like which are the 6 passes? Thagla, Manala and Nitila. Yes or no? Thagla, Manala, Nitila, Balchadura, Mangsadura and Lipu Lake. Understood it? Clear? And I said that if you see like this is in a great Himalayas. This is what I said that. And it is middle Himalayas. And it is what? Sivalik. Great Himalayas. What is the average height of the Great Himalayas? 6,000 meters. Understood? This is middle Himalayas. What is the average height? 3,900 to 4,500. What is the Great Himalaya? 6,000. Average height is? And this is in a middle Himalayas. What is the average height? 3,900 to 4,500. And this is in a Sivalik range and its height is 900 to 1,500. Understood it? Again, this is Great Himalaya. What is the average height? And above, if any Himalaya which is in a more than 6,000 mountain, always it will be what? Snow. So therefore Greater Himalaya is also known as Himadri. Middle Himalaya, in आपको यहाँ पे जाना है, पता है ना? मसूरी में जाना है. कहाँ जाना है आपको? जाना है कि नहीं जाना है? पता नहीं. लबासना है वहां पर. सो लाल बहादुर शास्त्री नेशनल जाने की इच्छा है. चलो. सो आई सेड दैट हमने क्या बोला कि यहाँ पे मसूरी रेंज है. नाग टिब्बा. मिडिल हिमालयस को क्या बोलते हैं? नाग टिब्बा एंड मसूरी रेंज. विच रेंज? यस. और ऐसे जाओ दौड़ते दौड़ते दौड़ते, just keep on running fast and reach the what? Lavasana, Masuri. And सबको धांग दो. क्या कर दो? So Sivalik range is known as Dhang. So which are the 3 ranges in the Uttarakhand? This is which one? Greater Himalaya. This is, I said that Middle Himalayas. And Middle Himalayas को क्या बोलते हैं? नाग टिब्बा and Masuri range, and this is in a Sivalik range, and Sivalik range is known as Dhang. Understood? Can you remember? Yes. I said that Greater Himalayas, Middle Himalaya is also known as Lesser Himalayas, or it is also known as Himachal. 3 names I have said earlier. Its name is also known as Middle Himalayas को क्या क्या बोलते हैं? Lesser Himalaya or Himachal. But in the Uttarakhand, it is in what? It is in the broken parts, जो कि आप लोगों ने जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में पीर पंजाब, हिमाचल प्रदेश धौलाधर, and here it is, and then Nag Tibba and Masuri. Understood it? Now we are going to see some peaks. Which peak is this? Bandir Poonch peak. Then we have seen Badrinath peak. Then we have seen what? Kamet, Dunagiri, Trishul, and then Nanda Devi. Is it okay? Yes. Now we are going to see the rivers in, I said, Uttarakhand, and you have done, and then 5 prayags in Uttarakhand. Rivers and 5 prayags in Uttarakhand.